Hey guys, I'm starting off this vlog at the airport and I'm headed to Paris for Paris Fashion Week with L'Oreal. I'm really excited. I've never been to Paris Fashion Week, and the last time I was in Paris I was like 13. So I'm really excited to go back, and I'll give you a look at my little outfit for the airport because I definitely went all out for this. Paris dreams have come true. Okay, we are finally in my hotel room in Paris. I got in at about 9 a.m. but my room wasn't ready till 4, so I was just in the lobby so zoned out. But I've had some cups of coffee, and today I don't have any shows that I'm going to, so I have kind of a free day, or at least the end of the day. So I'm headed to Les Champs-Élysées. Oh, I totally said that wrong. BRB. I know these things, but then as soon as it comes out of my mouth, it's so wrong. I should know way more French than I do. I'm Canadian and I did live in Belgium. A bunch of my friends speak French. I don't know why I was so defiant in learning it when I was younger, but now it's like a mental block. But anyways, I'm going shopping. I want to go into Chanel. Not that I'm gonna buy myself a Chanel bag because I do not spend money like that.
2 days later.
The unboxing of my first ever Chanel. But maybe I'll get like a little scarf to commemorate this trip. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but here's a little rundown of this look. Just added more pinks, and I went with this kind of tweed looking dress. So yeah, that's the look. It's a little bit like 90s Chanel inspired. If you guys remember, I did do a tutorial back when Carl passed, and what's really cool about this collection with L'Oreal Paris that we are, you know, exploring on this trip is Carl was working on it in collaboration before he passed. So it's one of his last projects, and I'm really excited to, you know, play with all the products and show you guys how everything looks. Wait, hold up. The glamour, this is in the room. Ah, oh. And the shoes. Wash my face, go to bed, and I'll see you guys early tomorrow, and I'll unbox my little Chanel thing I got a little bit later. It's day 2, I got some sleep, my camera died on me and my room is already a disaster. This is my look of the day. I went fairly natural with my makeup. I covered a pimple, you can see it. I like can't get that white spot like undone, but for the most part, I'm pleased. This building is the house of Karl Lagerfeld.
But in fact, the building is more calm than even the brand. If you see it from the outside, it's very classical, very stylish, very chic, very square, which is calm from the outside. And when you come in, you have a crazy family. Now I think to the kids. But you also have a fashion that is very accessible. That was canvas, super accessible. But the outside, like the facade here, was pretending not to be accessible. And the inside is also a fashion that doesn't take itself seriously.
No, you need this. Now you can move it around, you see?
Okay.
okay.
It's
You're
fun.
pretty.
Oh,
You're
thank
pretty.
you. Okay, so right now we're making our own lipstick shade. We're in pairs. My initial shade was like a sherbet color, and now, ooh, look at that. We're just mixing away. Oh my gosh, it's really intense.
Yeah, that's the point.
Girl.
We're gonna
We're headed backstage to a show, but I switched up my lipstick to this orangey-ish red, and this lipstick is part of the Carl collection, except it's not released, and it won't be, right? There's only 200 made, so. Uh-oh. Right before the show, we have a couple minutes to kill, so we did a pit stop to the Eiffel Tower, and time for some selfies. And I've been chilling on this bed with fries. I've just been eating fries because I do have like appetizers at these parties, but I definitely don't want to drink on a basically empty stomach. So we are chowing down on some French fries, and I'm so excited to show you guys the dress for this look. Here is the cocktail look. Normally I don't go with anything bold for events like I do in my tutorials, so I thought, you know, I might as well have fun with this. I'm in Paris and I went with like a full fringe, and then I thought it was really fun with the smoky eye in this mini dress, also from Revolve, and then I went with yellow shoes. Taking a couple more photos and then headed out. I'm just gonna chill in bed, eat my fries. And we're back. Time to take these bangs out. And I think I'm gonna edit a photo and head to bed. Whew, fashion show tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I just had breakfast, and I like to curl my hair for events. Because then I don't wear extensions. I find when my hair is straight, it looks kind of flat, and then I'm constantly like playing with. And I use this tiny wand. It's from Bedhead. It was like 30 bucks, and I just curl my entire head. I've shown it in videos before. I just was saving my battery, but then I brush it out, and you guys will see such a difference. I start with my fingers. And then I'll even brush out the front, like fully brush it out. and it starts to look super fluffy. And then I'll use a hairspray. Where's my hairspray at? Okay, L'Oreal gave us this hairspray in the hotel room. This is the El Net. I love this one. And I just kind of go like that, spread out the curls, make sure they're coated. Usually I'll do this just before I leave. I have like 2 hours. And just not too much because I like that kind of fluffy, messy look. And then when it does get messed up with like wind and stuff, it looks really cute. Here's my look of the day. I just kind of did a little self-timer of it, but I love this top. Hey guys, so we're backstage at Cedric Chaslier. I'm trying so hard with French words, guys. And the look is very natural and glowy. It just kind of got out of the shower, and the designs are very feminine, so I can't wait to see the show. Now I'm headed to Chanel. So if you guys saw at the beginning of the vlog, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get a scarf, like I'm not gonna go crazy or anything. And then I posted on my Instagram asking what you guys thought I got, and you all were like, you gotta go get a timeless bag. So I decided I'm gonna spoil myself and get my first Chanel bag. This is not gonna be an everyday thing. This is gonna be a once in a lifetime thing for me. Okay, recording. Okay, we are doing the unboxing of my first ever Chanel. I already started. Sorry. Okay, so we're opening. We'll zoom in.
I'll be here for musical effects.
Yes, please. Dun, 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 dun.
La 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 la.
Okay. We don't care about that.
They're trying
Or
to
this. What are we doing?
They're trying to make sense of the amount of money you spend.
Yeah.
Giving you all kinds of postcards.
Yeah. Ooh.
It literally just glittered in the light.
It's
Sorry.
luxurious.
Very luxury. I can't believe I spent this. YOLO.
You deserve it.
Thank you. When in Paris. L'Oreal Paris fashion show. It's starting soon, but we're in an amazing location right now. Oh my god, the sky like doesn't even look real, and I got my Chanel, so I'm very pleased. I can't wait. This whole trip's a dream. I'm at the after party and I completed my goal of the night. Basically, I love Debbie Ryan and I have had like 4 of these, so I went up and basically stood next to her until she acknowledged me. It was, it was not the move. But anyway, I was just like, hi, I lost my friends. Can I like talk to you for a sec? And then she was really nice. She was like, oh, I totally get that. And it was really fun to talk to. So that was a highlight of my night. Now I'm just like a little tipsy and I'm scared because there's a lot of steps and I don't want to fall, but it's been a good time. Update on my phone, my camera died and I took my shoes off. I am barefoot in Paris, which is like nasty, but pain, the pain is so real. My other heels were not uncomfortable, but these babies hurt. I want a little souvenir, but I don't have cash. This is just me drunk talking. What a great night though. Aww. It's airport day, so my vlog yesterday cut out because my camera just completely died. I was a little tipsy, but we went out and watched the sparkling Eiffel Tower, went to a cafe and got crepes, which definitely sobered me up. And then now here we are this morning and I got room service for the last time. I was making a little extra set here trying to get a cute hotel photo, but I got some pancakes, green apple juice, and some coffee here. My camera is so broken. Hopefully, I'm just glad it made it through this crazy experience. And to kind of summarize, this was like the best, oh, is someone coming in? No. This was one of the best experiences of my life. I didn't even know like opportunities like this existed. Like when I was younger, I never like dreamed of going to Paris with a brand and like seeing an incredible show. I just had no idea that that was even out there. So my mind is just completely blown and I'm really inspired. I can't wait to keep on making more content and use the products from the Carl collection. I have a little book that they gave us, The World According to Carl. And another thing, like it was just so cool to be able to hang out with Valeria on this trip. A lot of you were messaging me being like, oh my god, I love her, and so do I. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit intimidated because she had a team and I was like, oh my god, like I'm not that put together. But she was so warm and encouraging and she has a great heart. Like she's just a really nice person to be around and like you can just let your guard down and she's one, a lot of fun, but also really caring. And it was so cool that a lot of you watch her and you're admiring someone really awesome. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. It was an amazing time. I'm feeling emotional. Yeah, I'm just gonna look out the window at the rain in Paris.